What's up, YouTube? It's I am That's Nicole, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just doing this cute little Barbie inspired pony with the two bangs. So yeah, if you like this style and you want to see how I achieved it, then yeah, keep watching. Be sure to like this video, and if you're not already a subscriber, sis, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. So of course I'm just starting off with freshly washed hair, and she is natural. All I did was press her hair out. If you're familiar with any of my other tutorials, then you know I like to part the hair in sections when I'm doing ponytails, just so I can get like a cleaner pony.
I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you pick up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying to do better.
So what I'm doing right now is just putting a little beeswax on her hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and mold it into the first section and put it in the pony.
I'll start heading away from me. All the people been here. I see all of my friends here. Yeah, she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing overboard? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway to say fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying do better. And I'll start hating on if you make I'm addicted to naked pictures and sitting talking about bitches that we all hoes had. I don't think I'm conscious of making monsters out of the women I sponsor till it all goes bad. But shit, it's all good. We threw a party, yeah, we threw a party. Bitches came over, yeah, we threw a party. I was just calling cause they were just leaving. Talk to me, please, don't have much to believe in.
After I molded her hair all up, I'm just gonna finish it off with some Pump It Up spritz.
I got some women that's living on me. Pay for their flights and hotels on the shade. Better let you know that I won't say no names. After a while, girl, they all seem the same. I've had sex 4 times since we got this plane. Having a hard time just in the flame. Spreading that mixer. I've been talking crazy, girl. Lucky that you picked up. Lucky that you stayed on. I need someone to put this weight on. I'm just saying to do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying to do better. And I'll start hating on if you make it. Store while I hold your hurt back. My wife has said you niggas crazy. I hope no one heard that. I hope no one heard that. Cause if we get me gone, we in some trouble. but it go home. I've been in this club too long.
Honestly, I don't know why I'm choosing to do this step right now. I think me and my friend was just so deep into the conversation that I didn't really realize what I was doing. I would usually save this part for last. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and prep her hair so I can go ahead and start gluing the bang in. And basically what I'm gonna do is part it, and every time I part, I'm gonna measure, cut the track, and then I'm gonna glue it down.
Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you could do better. And I'll start hating on if you make it. Cups of XO. All the people been here. I see all of my friends here. Yeah, she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you do is overboard.
This part isn't really necessary. I just think it's cute. But I'm just gonna go ahead and basically curl her edges because they're kind of long. And then I'm gonna put a little beeswax on it and spray it.
I'm just saying do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying do better. And I'll start hating on if you make it. I'm addicted to naked pictures and sitting talking about bitches that we all goes at. I don't think I'm conscious of making monsters out of the women I sponsor till it all goes bad. But shit, it's all good. We do a party and we do a party. Bitches came over.
I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the neck strip around her ponytail to protect it from the glue. And then I'm gonna hold it with the glue. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the glue on the neck strip, and I'm gonna begin wrapping the hair around the ponytail.
No names, after a while, girl, they all seem the same. I've had sex 4 times since we college playing. Having a hard time adjusting to fame. Spreading that mix up. I've been talking crazy, girl. Lucky that you picked up. Lucky that you stayed on. I need someone to put this weight on. I'm just saying you could do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you could do better. And I'll start hating on if you make it. Store while I hope don't hurt back. My wife is sex niggas crazy. I hope no one heard that. I hope no one heard that. Cause if we get me gone, we in some trouble. Cups to the rose, bitches in my whole phone. Listen, call but it go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad.
here are the finished results. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and yeah, comment down below and let me know how you guys feel about the hairstyle. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you could do better. And I'll start